Is your printer showing error code E0 and refusing to print? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain what printer error code E0 means, why it happens, and how to fix it using simple step-by-step troubleshooting methods. Stay with us until the end to get your printer working again. Printer error code E0 usually appears when the printer detects a setup problem or a hardware issue. Depending on your printer model, this error may occur because of incorrectly installed ink cartridges, leftover protective tape on cartridges, a paper jam, initialization failure, or another temporary hardware issue. Fortunately, most users can resolve this error without replacing the printer. The most common reasons for error code E0 include ink cartridges installed incorrectly, protective tape still attached to new cartridges, a paper jam inside the printer, the scanner lid not being fully closed, dirty cartridge contacts, a temporary printer software glitch, incomplete printer setup, or firmware problems. First, let's perform a complete power reset. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the electrical outlet. Wait about 1 minute, then reconnect the power cable and switch the printer back on. This simple reset clears temporary internal errors and is often all it takes to resolve error code E0. Many E0 errors happen because cartridges are not installed properly. Open the cartridge access door and remove each cartridge carefully. Verify that all protective plastic tape has been removed from every cartridge. Then, reinsert every cartridge firmly until it clicks into place and close the cover. Remember, never touch the copper electrical contacts on the cartridge. Even a tiny scrap of paper can trigger error code E0. Carefully inspect every paper path, including the paper tray, rear access panel, output tray, and rollers, and gently remove any jammed paper. Avoid pulling paper forcefully, as this can damage internal rollers. Dust and dried ink can interrupt communication between the cartridges and the printer. Using a lint-free cloth lightly dampened with distilled water, gently clean the cartridge contacts. Allow them to dry completely before reinstalling the cartridges. If your printer is brand new, make sure the initial setup process has been completed. Many printers will not operate until cartridge alignment and initialization have finished successfully. Follow the on-screen instructions to print an alignment page and confirm the setup is complete. If the error continues, check whether your printer has a firmware update available. Visit the manufacturer's website, download the latest firmware for your printer model, and follow the installation instructions. Installing the latest firmware may resolve startup and hardware communication issues. As a final troubleshooting step, perform a factory reset using your printer's settings menu. Navigate to the settings, find the option to restore factory defaults, and confirm the reset. Remember that this may erase your Wi-Fi settings, requiring you to reconnect the printer to your network afterward.